Here comes Arbaz to Khizar. Lovely delivery, good shot. One bounce. Rahim does well to stop the ball. No run taken. Very good start for both the teams so far. Arbaz once again with the ball. Bowling around the sticks to right-handed Khizar. Lovely shot. No chance for any fielder. Over the head of the bowler. One bounce into the fence for 4. This is magnificent piece of batting from Khizar. He's on fire. Sharp, side now, sharp. Shade now. Khizar on strike. Facing around the sticks bowler Arbaz. Short delivery, watchfully played, square cut towards the third man region. One run taken. Both the batsmen decide not to go for the second one. That's the end of first over, and the score moves on to 8 runs on the board without any loss. What a start here for Zoe Lions. BWPL Season 7, semi-final number 2, phase 1. Zoe Lions taking on the Sultans. Stunned silence at the ground. Huddle there straight away from the Sultans. They know how important the wicket of Khizar would be for them. I tell you what, if this man stays at the crease for another 3 overs, definitely they will have a big total on the board to chase when they come out to bat.
One over done, 8 runs on the board. To ball over number 2 for the Sultans is Afroz, the youngster. He'll be bowling to Khizar from over the streaks. Big match, semi-final 2, phase 1. Who will it be? Will it be Zoe Lions or will it be the Sultans to join the Blue Stars in the final? Here we go. Afroz bowling to Khizar. Short ball. Into the railway station. 2 runs is the signal. Youngster under pressure straight away. Oh, tries to go again on the body this time. But come back from the bowler. Short ball. Got all the way for 6. That's a huge maximum. When Khizar hits it, they stay hit. The longest distance on the pitch. He's cleared it easily. First maximum for the Zoe Lions of the bat of Khizar. Tries to go again. That's enough on it. Goes all the way for 6 again. 14 of 4. So far from a first. 2 legal deliveries left. Two back-to-back maximums of the bat of Khizar. Things looking good for the Zoe Lions. Can Afroz strike back? Or can Khizar throw the knockout punches? plays it straightly towards the covered region. Lauren there, Ejaz does well. Dot ball. Last ball of the server. Oh, that keeps low, very close to the off stump. Narrow escape for Kizar. He survives. 2 overs done, 22 runs on the board.
ओवर के खत्म होने के बाद जोही लायंस का स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 22 रन बिना किसी नुकसान के, जिसमें खिजर के 2 शानदार छक्के शामिल हैं। बाएं हाथ के खिलाड़ी तंजीम स्ट्राइक पर रहेंगे, सामना करेंगे एहतशाम का। After the first wicket down, Tansir walks out to the center. Lovely shot, straight to the fielder. Wicket number 2. This is good bowling from Etasham. He has done the damage. Wicket number 2 down. Tansir have to walk back. ಹೊಸ ಆಟಗಾರ ಬ್ರಾವೋ ರಂಗ ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. पूरी बत्ती सी दिखाते हुए वहां पर ब्रावो खिजर के साथ पिच पर मौजूद, सामना करेंगे हैट्रिक डिलीवरी का। Salman behind the stumps, making a lot of field changes, making sure all the fielders are in the right position. Catching position, Arbaz the man in. Here comes Etasham on the hat-trick delivery. Oh, cleans him up. Bravo goes. Hat-trick there for Etasham. What a time to deliver for the team. Second semi-final and delivering a hat-trick. What can a captain expect from you? This is extraordinary performance with the ball from Ahtasham. Experienced campaigner walking out with the bat. Muda. ஐயா வந்துக்கிறாரு பிச்சுக்கு பேட்டிங் பண்றதுக்கு. ஐயா phase 1 ஐயா. मुद्दा स्ट्राइक पर मौजूद, सामना करेंगे एहतशाम का, जो काफी बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं. सलमान कैचिंग पोजीशन पर पॉइंट काफी अंदर रखते हुए 38 सर्कल के बैट्समैन को. रासिक पॉइंट पर मौजूद. एहतशाम गेंद करेंगे मुद्दा को. डिफेंस कर दिया हल्के हाथों से, बेहतरीन अंदाज में मुद्दा ने. कोई रन नहीं. नॉन स्ट्राइक पर खिजर काफी परेशान नजर आते हुए. 3 विकेटों का झटका लगा एक ही ओवर में, और वो भी हैट्रिक. एहतशाम फिर से एक बार तैयार, गेंद करेंगे मुद्दा को. बेहतरीन गेंद थी, डिफेंस करना चाहते थे, पूरी तरीके से चकमा खाते हुआ वहां पर मुद्दा. गेंद सलमान के हाथों में. बेहतरीन कीपिंग का मुजाहरा सलमान द्वारा. एहतशाम फिर से एक बार तैयार, गेंद करेंगे मुद्दा को. बेहतरीन गेंद, सलमान काफी कॉन्फिडेंस है. आउट. चौथा विकेट इस ओवर का. मुद्दा नाखुश, मगर अंपायर रिजवान का इशारा. आउट. Hanif walking out to the center to join Khizar. Mudassir trying to be defensive, getting an edge. Salman does the rest. Excellent keeping behind the stumps. शूटर अरबाज के हाथों में गेंद. गेंद करेंगे खिजर को. शूटर अरबाज के हाथों में गेंद. अरबाज गेंद करेंगे खिजर को. एक ही ओवर में 4 विकेटों का झटका यहां पर जोई लेंस को. बेहतरीन शॉट, एक टप्पा खाने के बाद वो बेहतरीन फील्डिंग वहां पर एहतशाम की. डायरेक्ट हिट होता तो शायद खिजर वापस जाना पड़ता डगआउट पे. टाइगर तनवीर वहां पर हल्के हाथों से खेला था. खिजर ने, बहुत कम मौका मिलता है खिजर को सिंगल्स खेलते हुए देखने का. इस वक्त जो इनकी टीम की पोजीशन है, सेंसिबल खेल रहे हैं खिजर. अरबाज इस बार गेंद करेंगे हनीफ को. स्ट्राइक पर मौजूद हनीफ. यहां पर डीसीसी एशेस के कप्तान जुबैर मौजूद डैश पर. डीसीसी एशेस के कप्तान जुबैर के चेहरे पर मुस्कान. ड्राइव करना चाहते थे, पूरी तरीके से बीट हुए. काफी पेस वहां पर अरबाज द्वारा. बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी। फिर से एक बार हनीफ तैयार, सामना करेंगे अरबाज का। उल्टा गेंद की हवा में खेल दिया इसको, पांचवां झटका है। एजाज की बेहतरीन कैच, बाबू की बेहतरीन कैच, पांचवां झटका। इसे कहते हैं सेमीफाइनल। इस मैच में जो परफॉर्म करता है वही कहलाता है बड़ा प्लेयर। इस वक्त एहतशाम 3 विकेट लेने में कामयाब होते तीसरे ओवर में इस मैच के, और अब तक खिजर क्रीज पर मौजूद हैं। यही इनके लिए, जोई लायंस के लिए एक उम्मीद है। काफी दीनत मार्टिन नए खिलाड़ी साथ देंगे खिजर का। जब भी खिजर सिंगल लेकर नॉन स्ट्राइक जा रहे हैं, इधर से विकेटों की बरसात हो रही है। सलमान फील्डिंग में तब्दीली करते हुए, अरबाज तैयार, गेंद करेंगे दीनत मार्टिन को, स्वीप करने की कोशिश। बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी यहां पर शूटर अरबाज की। अरबाज शॉर्ट पिच गेंद थी, बैक फुट जाकर पुल कर दिया है दीनू ने इसको। रेलवे स्टेशन के बाहर गई गेंद, 2 रन। ऑर्गेनाइजर से गुजारिश है बॉल दे वहां पर। सलमान फिर से एक बार फील्डिंग में तब्दीली करते हुए, चौथे ओवर की आखिरी गेंद, स्ट्राइक पर दीनत मार्टिन मौजूद, सामना करेंगे शूटर अरबाज का, जो अब तक 1 विकेट लेने में इस ओवर में कामयाब रहे। फील्डिंग में तब्दीली, वाइडिश लॉन्ग ऑन, टाइगर गए हैं वाइडिश लॉन्ग ऑन पर। फील्डिंग में काफी तब्दीली, काफी वक्त लेते हुए, अंपायर से गुजारिश करूंगा इतना वक्त ना दें। फिर से एक बार शूटर अरबाज तैयार, अराउंड द विकेट गेंद करेंगे राइट हैंडेड बल्लेबाज दीनत मार्टिन को। बड़ी शॉट खेलने की कोशिश, बीट हुए, विकेटों से मिस हुई गेंद, सीधा सलमान के हाथों में, कोई रन नहीं। इसी के साथ ओवर की समाप्ति, बढ़ता हुआ स्कोर 25 रन 4-5 विकेट के नुकसान पर। What a game it has been so far. Zoe Lions started well. Ehtesham coming back in the third over, striking it thrice with a hat-trick. And now Arbaz picking the wicket of Hanif. Zoe Lions in all sorts of trouble. But "25 runs on the board." This should be a very, very interesting contest. Ehtesham was really bowling well and now has Khizr on strike. This is very good captainship from Sultans, bringing back Ehtesham into attack. Here comes Ehtesham. Khizr on strike. No ball signaled into the Jantar Mahal. Khizr special here at this ground. What a shot. 6 runs. Free hit coming up. Do not go anywhere. Khizr is still on the crease. Dangerous crease gale of tennis ball. Khizr on strike. Free hit delivery. Where is this going? Short delivery, smash that one. Please come into the picture. Falls in no man's land. Farooq cuts it off. Deenat Martin is quick. 2 runs taken. Excellent running between the wickets. Khizr there hitting hard, but just to find the trees at the wrong time. What a hit! What a hit! This is the bowler who has taken a hat trick, and now he is the man who's getting treated by Khizr just like an ordinary bowler. This is what cricket is all about. बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी का मुजाहरा यहां पर खिजर द्वारा. जब तक खिजर स्ट्राइक पर हैं, क्रीज पर हैं, जोई लायंस की उम्मीद काफी बढ़ती लगती हुई. एक बेहतरीन स्कोर कर सकते हैं खिजर अगर आखिरी ओवर तक बैटिंग करें. सुल्तान के कप्तान सलाम मशवरा करते हुए एहतशाम से कितनी गेंदें बची हैं अभी पूछ रहे हैं खिजर अंपायर से. 4 गेंदें बची हैं अभी इस ओवर की. स्लो गेंद थी, बहुत पहले खेल दिया था खिजर ने इसको. क्या छोड़ दिए. What has Harbaz done? Has he put down the match? Has he put down the match? A big question to be asked at the end of the 8 overs of the Zoe Lions innings. नो बॉल का इशारा अंपायर रिजवान द्वारा ओवर स्टेप के लिए नो बॉल. ओ वाइड लाइन के बाहर थी था पैर बॉलर का. बेहतरीन अंपायरिंग करते हुए यहां पर रिजवान और राहिल. फ्री हिट का इशारा अंपायर रिजवान द्वारा. इस मैच के दोनों अंपायर लोग जंतर महल का रास्ता दिखाया इसको खिजर ने. बाहर मैदान के गए 6 रन. This is what cricket is all about. 1 hour you pick up 3 wickets. Next over you're just treated as an ordinary bowler and been smashed for 6s. So far 4 balls have been bowled. 24 runs Khizr have scored in this over with 2 no balls. Hafiz looking restless there. एहतशाम once again to Khizr. हल्के हाथों से खेल दिया इसको खिजर ने कवर्स की जानिब का आसान सा रन जब तक बाबू फील्ड करें. Etasham once again to Dinat Martin. Tries to switch it into the gap, running towards the boundary. Fielder comes in, cuts it off. Easy single taken. Good pick there from Dino. Off the mark. 5 overs gone. 55 runs on the board. Out. 51 runs on the board. Out of which Khizr have scored 45 runs. What a man is. How costly is that going to be? The catch of Khizr put down by Arbaz. And now Sultans, even though after picking up 5 wickets, looking restless.
Five overs done, 51 runs on the board. Who will it be to bowl over number 6? Looks like it's the youngster again, Afroz. Khizar in red hot form. Already on 45. Excellent cricket from Deenat Martin. He gets up the mark. Brings Khizar on strike now. Khizar against Afroz. Khizar on 45. Here we go. Afroz up against Khizar. Field change is made. Etisham goes off to mid-off. Goes down the ground. Goes all the way for 6. 50 for Khizar. And to add salt to the wounds, it's a no ball. What an excellent knock this has been from Khizar so far. He's been the lone warrior for the Zoe Lions.
Standing ovation from the dugout there for Khizar. What a man he is. He's doing a one-man show here at the East Ground. Khizar, he's still at the crease. How costly is that going to be? The catch put down by Arbaz. No ball signaled as well. So free hit delivery coming up. Khizar on strike. 51 runs not out. What I liked is the way Dinu rotated the strike. He knows Khizar can smash all the balls he faces out of the ground. He has that much ability. That is what was required from Muda Hanif. But nobody did it. Dinu doing it. Khizar trying to switch it. Bowler stops. It should be interesting. Free hit delivery coming up. Salman making field changes. Not allowed on the free hit delivery. Full toss in the air. In the air. Taken, but he's still not out. It's a free hit delivery. It's all about Khizar today for Zoe Lions. Khizar on strike. Afroz with the ball. Hafiz advising the bowler. Afroz is a young bowler. Khizar have a very good experience. This is what makes you a good player. At the young age, you perform well at stages like this. You're going to make name for yourself. Here comes Afroz. Lovely delivery away from Tanveer. Widish mid wicket. Fielder comes in, fumbles. Khizar, chance of run out. Excellent throw from the mid wicket. Furqan does well, but not good enough to get rid of Khizar. 2 runs taken with that 2. Khizar back on strike. And now Afroz once again taking some advice from Etisham. This is excellent bowling, excellent cricket here at the East Ground. Looks like Afroz have missed his run up. Here we go. Afroz with the ball. Short delivery this time. Khizar sends it to the Savera tea house. 6 runs. Water is needed. Two more balls to go in this over. Afroz, young man, has no answer for Khizar so far. What a time in the game now. Arbaz will keep counting those 6s. From the time he has put down, Khizar has almost smashed 5 6s. Khizr once again checking the balls. Now Afroz has no answers. 69 runs on the board so far, out of which 95% of runs have been scored by Khizr. Khizr on strike, facing Afroz. Goes for a big one, gets some bat on the ball, misfields, wants a quick single, send back. Excellent stop there from Tiger. No run taken with one more deliveries to go. Tell you what, Tiger on the short mid wicket, playing continuously. He has to play another qualifier after this against the DCC Ashes. Salman there making some field changes. Khizr on strike with the last ball of the over to come. Full toss, you don't bowl to him. He will keep counting. Sultans have no clues, no answers. What an over! 24 runs. Sultan's in a huddle. Hafiz looking restless. Who is it going to be for Sultan? 75 runs on the board. Khizr out of which Khizr have scored 67 runs with the help of 8 sixes so far. Dinath Martin, he's on strike. Will be facing Rasikh. Tell you what, if he takes a single and Khizr comes back to the strike, Sultans making a lot of field changes at the moment. Fielder coming inside the 30-yard circle on the square leg. Still wants a close one. Farooq asking the fielder to come still inside the 30-yard. Rasikh with the ball in hand to bowl over the sticks to right-handed Dinu. Tapped away into the gap. This is excellent batting. Sensible batting from Dinath Martin. You bring in square leg inside. I'm going to play between the two fielders, says Dinath Martin. That single brings the dangerous Khizr back on strike. Here we go. Khizr on strike. 67 not out. Rasikh with the ball. Straight down the ground into the gap towards the covers. Ijaz does well. No run taken. Very interesting. Khizr note what he can do if he stays at the crease. Removes the gloves. Khizr on strike. Facing Rasikh. Tries for a big one. Beaten. Beats the keeper as well. Looks like Khizr is having some trouble. Stunned silence here at the East ground. Courtesy some splendid batting from Khizr. So far, Sultans have no clue. The captain of Sultans, Farooq, have no clue about how to get rid of Khizr. Big match. Arbaz putting down a catch. And now Khizr. रिजवान जरा देखो जल्दी जल्दी खिलाओ अभी 3 मैच है इसके बाद हिंसो not go anywhere, stick to your seats. 3 big matches coming up after this. At the moment, this man on strike, this man on the pitcher have a lot to do with the bat still. Does the Sultans have the answer for Khizr's batting? Here comes Rasikh. Full toss in the air. One bounce. Deenat Martin wants a run. Sent back by Khizr. 3 dot deliveries. This is good bowling from Rasikh. Rasikh to Khizr. Tries to cut. Short edge. And now Salman misses the stumps. And Khizr takes a quick single. Excellent bowling from Rasikh. Was a sharp catch chance there for behind the stumps. Salman not getting hold of the ball, putting it down. Khizr have been put down second time. Deenat Martin back on strike. Over number 7 has been fantastic so far from Rasikh. Just 2 singles and a catch put down as well. And a run out chance missed by the keeper. Farooq making some field changes. Deenat Martin on strike. Shuffles across. Wants to play a big one. Beaten. Dot delivery to finish. Excellent over from Rasikh. Comes to an end. Over number 7 ends. And the score moves on to 77 runs. Just 2 runs. What an over. Who is it going to be to bowl the last over? The golden arm of Sultans. Will Tiger come into ball? No, they decided to go up with Salman, a very experienced campaigner. Salman, these two have played cricket together, a lot of cricket together. In fact, at the moment, Khizr has done major damage for Sultans. So far, they have no clue what to do against him. Salman with the ball, bowling to dangerous Khizr. जरा हट जाओ वहां से floodlights on. Big matches coming up. Here comes Salman to Khizr. Short delivery. You don't bowl that to Khizr. He says, I'm going to smash that into the deep mid-wicket boundary for a 6. Excellent batting here from Khizr. So far, Khizr have scored 74 runs. Salman with the ball. This time around the 6. To right-handed Khizr. भाई वहां कैमरे के सामने से हट जाओ भाई Short delivery. Babai says Khizr, another big 6. You are not going to bowl the last over like this because your team is already in trouble. "89 runs on the board with that 6. Slow delivery, slow shot from Khizr, outside the ground. What a batting performance this is. Lovely batting from Khizr. 8. Khizr have scored 86 runs so far of 31 deliveries he faced. Can he hit 3 sixes and make the first century of BWPL Season 7? He can, he says. He can, he says. What a bowling this is. This is Khizr for you. Everybody on the edge of their seat at the moment. Look out the dugout of Zoe Lions. This is what Khizr can do if you drop him. 92 runs not out. Khizr on strike. Shot to 6. Takes him to 98. What an innings this is from Khizr. He will remember this innings for a lifelong. "98 not out, 2 more required for a century. Khizr on strike. Goes for a big one. And taken on the last ball. What an innings from Khizr. Everybody on the field, on the boundaries. This is fantastic to watch. Zoe Lions have put up 107 runs. Sultans required 108 to win the semi-final and to take on the Blue Stars in the BWPL Season 7 Phase 1 finals.